Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say Benjamin Netanyahou is the current Prime Minister of Israel, serving multiple terms and leading the right-wing Likud party. He is a controversial figure known for his hardline policies on the Israeli-Palestinian conflict and his role in shaping Israel's foreign and domestic policies. Benjamin Netanyahou, Benjamin Netanyahou, Benjamin Netanyahou, Benjamin Netanyahou, Benjamin Netanyahou. Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.